All right, language explorers. So let's look at the word, today's verb, Tuesday verb, continue. 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 To keep going with something, to keep going. Continue. I want to continue reading the story. Yes, I need to continue reading it. Continue. I will continue to record videos. Yes. You should continue to learn more English. Yes. Those problems will continue until they find the answers. Aha. The answers. I will continue recording today until I reach a certain amount of videos, for example. Yeah, very good. He just kept going and continued last night. He just kept going. He just wouldn't stop. He just continued and continued and continued. He just continued talking last night. And would not stop. I will continue now. Yes, I am continuing with the lessons. I'm continuing with the lessons. Very good. When will they continue with the work? When are they going to continue? They've stopped. When are they going to continue? Why won't they continue? Why won't they continue building it? Why won't they continue? Any reason? Yeah. Why won't they continue? Why won't they continue? Any reason? So, continue. To keep going with something. Continue, continued, continuing. Continuing. Oh yeah, continuing. There we are. Yeah. How cool is that? So, yes, but can you write continue in a sentence? Comment below and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. Yeah. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.